Alright, so give me a quick video here on the ToolkitRC URUAV M600 LiPo charger, and it looks almost exactly the same as the ToolkitRC M6 mini charger that I reviewed about 6 months ago. And the only difference is the exterior color options. They have these carbon fiber, I think 2 other different color options available for the charger, but all of the specs, the way it works, everything is, as far as I can tell, exactly the same. It's merely basically cosmetic rebrand of the M6 charger, and there's a slight price difference. This, as of the recording of this video today, I checked the price. This one here is $22.99, and the one that this is based off of, the M6, is $23.99. So not a whole lot of price difference. I'm not going to obviously go through this and show you all the features and functions. I've already done that in the previous video, which I will link down below. But if you want to see how this works, as far as I know, it works exactly the same way, and all of the specs and everything are the same as well. Anyway, so there's also another rebrand of the larger M8 charger. They're calling it the M600. I'm sorry, the M800. So there's the M6 and the M600, and the M8 and the M800. I was supposed to get one of those as well, but we got lost somewhere. So I guess thanks to customs, we're going to only be giving away one of these. This one here, the M600, and not the M800. Unfortunately, I don't have that one to show, but as far as I know, that one is also the same as the M8. So I'll link all those videos and products down in the description. I'm sure you guys are all here for the giveaway, so the instructions are basically like this. Just go to the video where I reviewed the M6 charger, which is what this was based off of. That link is in the description. And in your comment, just put down the coupon code that was in that video and hashtag free charger, and that'll be your entry, and I will draw a winner and a couple of alternates in about a week. So check back on this video, and the winner will be announced in a pinned comment in this video. That's it, good luck, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.